I recorded glow sticks for the lightning charge up crackle. Chorus and distortion were the main processing for this. I also recorded sizzling bacon, tinfoil, and a metal tape measurer for electricity. I recorded cassette clicks, rolling batteries, and my Nintendo Switch for mechanical layers. I put a recording of the metal tape into phase plant. Enforcer provided the bass slide. OTT and a transient shaper helped give it more impact. Phase plant was used to generate random beep sounds. I recorded some dirt and reversed it for the portal sucking the debris in. Next, I needed to add to the droid's mechanical nature. This includes sounds for the metal plating and to give the engine a more realistic character, not just an electrical humming sound. For this, I recorded multiple metallic objects. The best results came from a garlic crusher and this spinny metal grating tube.